How to save money. Number 1. Proper mindset and discipline. Set a saving goals. Start by thinking of what you want to save for. Example, saving for retirement. Then figure out how much money you'll need and how long it might take you to save it. Empower yourself and set your financial goal. Write it down and plan how much money you want to save every month. And remember to put your money in a money-making account to fight the inflation. Number 2. Record your expenses and make a budget. Live only on whatever cash is available after setting aside the savings. In making a budget, track your 1-month expenses and make your budget list. Your budget should look like this. If your expenses are so high that you can't save as much as you'd like, cut back your expenses. Identify your needs and wants. Lessen your budget. Here are some ideas to reduce expenses. Cancel subscriptions and memberships you don't use. Lessen your dining out. Buy generic instead of the branded items. Pack lunch and eat at home. Lower your bills like your cell phone bill and water. Use less water. Skip the coffee shop. Spending freeze. Do staycation. Use the library instead of buying books. Refinance your mortgage to a lower interest. Carpool to work or school. Number 3. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself means set aside your savings first before your living expenses. For example, when you decide to pay yourself 10%, you should set aside the 10% of your salary on a separate bank account, or you can put it on an envelope. But I recommend that you put that money on a money-making account, like money market or a high-interest savings account. Set up a direct deposit. In the beginning, you can pay yourself 10%. But as your income grows, increase the percentage of your savings, but not your living expenses. The amount of money you want to save depends on how much you are earning and goal. Other people use the 50-30-20 method to save money. 50% is for the living expenses, 30% is for the savings, and 20% is for fun. Whatever method you choose, or whatever percentage you want, the most important formula is income less expenses equals savings. For example, if your salary is $4,800 in a month, the 30% of that is $1,440. You should set aside $1,440 first, before your living expenses. The most effective way to do that is to direct deposit that amount into a different bank account. A lot of employers now allow a direct deposit into a different bank accounts. I will give you a situation wherein two individuals will have a different time to reach their financial goal. Person A is a nurse practitioner, earning $120,000 yearly. Person B is a nurse earning $86,000 yearly. But because she wants to reach her financial goal early, she does overtime 1 day a week, which she made her income to $110,000 yearly. Another difference is that Person A's living expenses is higher than Person B, because she has to maintain her status higher than Person B. She's buying nice clothes, shoes, bags and bought an expensive car. So So her living expenses is $5,368. So her excess money towards savings is $55,579.80. This is her budget list. Person B's living expenses is consistently the same every month. Her living expenses in 1 year is $48,816. So with an income of $110,000, her excess money is $61,184 towards savings. This is her budget list. Person B, which is a nurse, has more savings than person A towards the end. The reason is that the difference in lifestyle. Person B is more frugal than person A. My point here is that, no matter how much you earn, if you don't know how to budget, the money towards your savings still will not get big. It really doesn't matter how much money you make. What matters is how you spend and save the money you make. Stay frugal and smart in spending your money. Change your lifestyle. Limit your wants. Reward yourself later. Accumulate assets first. I hope you learn from this video. I hope you reach your financial goal towards financial independence. Dream, believe with burning desire. Thank you for watching. Press subscribe to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.